How to edit WAV files in WavePad. Click Open to load your WAV file. Edit your audio using tools like Select, Cut, Copy, Paste, and Delete, or apply effects from the Effects tab. When finished, click the Save As button drop-down, then select Save File As, choose WAV, adjust the bitrate, sampling rate, and channels if needed, then click Save to export your file. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to edit WAV files in WavePad. Start by opening WavePad and loading your WAV file. Click the Open button in the Home tab and select the audio file you want to edit. Once your file is loaded, you can begin editing right away. Use basic tools like Select, Cut, Copy, Paste, and Delete to remove unwanted parts or rearrange your audio. You can also zoom in on the waveform for more detailed and precise editing. If needed, you can enhance your audio using effects from the Effects tab, such as noise reduction or equalization, depending on your project. When you're ready to export your file, open the Save As button drop-down, select Save File As, and choose WAV as the output format. In the WAV encoding settings, you can choose the bitrate, sampling rate, and number of channels for your file. Keep in mind that the available options will depend on the encoding format you selected. Once everything is set, click Save to export your edited WAV file. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.